This is the only watchmaker that creates its own gold.
The process begins with pure raw gold.
Raw materials must meet strict standards.
Pure gold is too soft for a watch.
Extreme heat fuses the metals together.
Liquid gold becomes a solid ingot.
Rapid cooling locks in the structure. The internal structure must be flawless. Compressing the gold makes it harder. Heat relaxes the metal for shaping.
The basic shape of the case is formed.
Tons of pressure create the oyster case.
Computers assist, but humans control.
Precision drilling ensures a perfect fit. Threads ensure the watch is waterproof.
The fluted bezel is a signature design.
Rough surfaces are smoothed down.
Dust and oil are removed completely.
The crystal protects the dial face.
It starts with workers in the Rolex gold factory feeding long gold rods into a machine that cuts them into small links. These will become the President bracelet.
Every link must move freely.
Ceramic inserts prevent wear over time.
The clasp is an engineering marvel.
Contrasting finishes require a steady hand.
The movement is the heart of the watch.
A gold rotor winds the mainspring.
The hairspring controls the timekeeping.
Rubies reduce friction for moving parts.
Oil keeps the watch running for years.
The dial face begins as a blank disc.
Color is applied in thin, even layers.
Hour markers are made of gold to prevent tarnish.
Lume allows reading in the dark.
Hands are polished to catch the light. Gem setters are artists and engineers.
Hands must never touch the dial.
That the movement meets the case
And the crown seals the watch hermetically.
The case becomes a secure vault.
The watch becomes a complete unit.
Every watch must be waterproof.
Precision is tested in different positions.
The watch must run for days without wear.
Perfection requires a human touch. The green tag guarantees performance.
The box is part of the experience.
The paperwork proves authenticity.
The watch is ready for the world.
Finished watches are stored securely. Distribution is carefully controlled.
The watch arrives at the retailer.
Presentation highlights the craftsmanship.
The value is visible to the eye.
Nothing feels like solid gold.
A legacy is purchased.
A gold Rolex is built to last lifetimes.
It all starts here in Geneva. From raw element to mechanical art.
This is how a gold bar becomes $1 million watch.